All right, as a reminder of where we were finishing lab 6, we were looking at doing a BCD display that let me press these buttons and it would show a digit that corresponds to the switches in the appropriate BCD position. So in other words, I've got 4 programmed on these upper 4 switches, and so when I press this button, the 4 shows up. And then other switches are programmed differently, like 3 is on the second set of 4 BCD digits from the most significant bit position down. And as I press these, it shows the digits. All right, so what we're gonna do next in lab 7 is we're gonna write Verilog code to make a circuit that controls the cycling of these buttons. So this is called time division multiplexing. Each digit has its own little time slot. And so we're gonna make a little state machine counter that implements this pushing of the buttons. I'll show you the result of that in just a second. Okay, so now I've reprogrammed the board where the digits are scrolling through faster, so you can see the time division multiplexing where each digit gets its little time slot and we're scrolling through. The problem is we're not scrolling through fast enough where it looks like one constant display. So let me reprogram the board with a faster display refresh rate, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, here's the board reprogrammed with a faster display refresh rate. Interestingly, because you're taking a video at, I think this is 30 frames per second, that actually generates some flicker because we're only getting samples every 30 times per second, and so it makes the displays appear like they're flickering. So if you watch this live without it being through a video, these displays would look like they're constantly on. All right, so that's the goal for lab 7. We're trying to get to this point.